Alright, unboxing of the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. As you can see, now shout out to my audience, shout out to my subscribers. This is my first upload in a while. I think my last upload before this I think I did something with the S21 Ultra or something like that, some sort of water test. So yeah, I took a little bit of a break from YouTube, but now I am back. Have the OnePlus 9 Pro in my hands. So let's go ahead and just unbox this bad boy. OnePlus 9 Pro in the front. Now I gotta say, I gotta like this red box with the anodized red lettering here. I think that's a pretty fancy contrast. You have some Hasselblad branding there. They did co-develop the camera system on this phone with them. Got the H right there. Now on the back, I like the black accent here. OnePlus, where's the OnePlus? I thought it said OnePlus somewhere. Yeah, OnePlus right there. And what does it say here? Some QR code and some recycling information, etc. So those are the specs. This one, I think, what is this? The, yeah, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gig model in the Morning Mist colorway. All right, so we'll go ahead and just cut the tape here. We'll open the box and we'll have a look. Let's see. Can I? Did I cut the tape all the way? I don't think I did. Oops. Okay. I think that should do it. Yeah. There we go. All right. And then front and center, you get the phone. Ooh, look at that camera system. Huh. Interesting. Tab here. We'll go ahead and pull out the phone. Ooh. Ooh. This feels pretty nice. We'll put the device on the side for now. And what do we get in the box? We get Never Settle here on the bottom. Got this tab right here. We'll pull this up. And then something in here. We'll go check it out. Ah, you get your pamphlets and stuff. Oh, what fell out? Your SIM ejection tool. Welcome kind of card here, Never Settle. That's where the SIM ejection tool was. Something like that. Put that to the side. And your quick start guide, safety information, and all this stuff. And you have some OnePlus decals here that you can put on your friend's iPhone 12 Pro Max. Go ahead and put that to the side. And in the box, you get your warp charge here. Or it's not warp charge anymore. What do they call it? Is it warp charge? I don't know. Somebody tell me in the comments what's OnePlus's fast charging now. It's been a while since I unboxed the phone. Is it warp charge or what is it called now? I don't know. I forgot. And you have, of course, they provide the red charging cable for their proprietary charging. Sweet. We'll go ahead and put this stuff to the side for now. And then we'll have a look at the phone. Oh. Now, what are the specs on this guy? Snapdragon 888. And as I said before, aforementioned, 12 gigs of RAM. This one's 256 gigs. Let's see. Does it have power? It does. OnePlus powered by Android. Oh. Of course, we're going to take this off. We don't want this. Oh man, I didn't realize how, wow. Hold on, let me just put this to the side for now. Wow, look at how glossy this is. Holy smokes. Look at this. Let's compare it real quick to the OnePlus from last year. This is the 8T. A little bit more of a matte finish here on last year's phone. But man, I was not expecting this chrome finish. Look at this. And it kind of fades away. Is that me or is it fading away? Yes, it kind of fades away up top. But that's kind of cool. So half the phone is like chrome. The other half, it kind of fades to, I don't want to say matte finish, but it kind of fades away. It's not as reflective up top, as you can see, as it is on the bottom. That's an interesting finish. This kind of reminds me of the Aura Glow from Samsung, but without like the rainbow effect. That's pretty cool. OnePlus branding right there. You got your camera setup by Hasselblad. We'll take a look at the camera too real quick here in a few minutes. And here we go. 6.7-inch display, I believe. You have your hole punch up on the left corner. Take a look at the bezels. Fairly thin. It'll do the job. On the bottom, you have your USB Type-C, SIM tray, your speaker, this side of the phone, volume rocker. Let's see on this side, you have your power switch, and this is your slider, your sound switch. And on top, little mic right there. First impressions in the hand, feels good. Yeah, nothing wrong with it. Feels solid compared to last year's. Yeah, both feel solid. Similar build quality, etc. on this. But yeah, that's an interesting back though with the half chrome. It's pretty cool. All right, let's get into it. Start, English United States, that's where I'm at. I guess I have to agree with this. Agree, I suppose. Connect to mobile network. We're gonna skip that for now. No SIM in here. We'll just connect to my Wi-Fi instead. Type in my password. All right, what do we got? Connecting, this may take a few minutes. Now, I hope you guys can see. I think I got my ISO correct on the camera. Yeah, you guys can see. Looks all right on the viewfinder. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, what do we got? Checking for updates, installing updates. All right, out of the box, you get 47% battery, which is what you'd expect. Usually you charge this to around 50%, something like that. All right, checking for updates. How long is this gonna take? I may have to cut the video. All right, OnePlus, let's go, come on. All right, here we go, copy apps and data. I'm gonna not copy anything because I wanna start fresh with this phone. All right, what do we got? Checking info. Oh, and I just realized the phone does have a, turn this display off. The phone does have a factory installed plastic screen protector. So that is nice of OnePlus. All right, I'm gonna skip the Google stuff for now. I just wanna get into the actual phone, maybe take some pictures, etc. And disable all this, disable that, accept, and what is this? Review additional apps. Sure, I guess I have to press OK. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. All right, so use your typical Android setup here. What do we got here? Co-creation labs. I don't think I've seen this before. So what is this? Participate in OnePlus co-creation user programs to get the latest information and a better system experience. By agreeing to join, blah, blah, blah. Whatever, skip. Maybe I'll join later. Right, set screen lock. Skip the screen lock. Skip for now. I'll set one up later. All right, what do we got? We got Roboto or the OnePlus Sans. Well, this being OnePlus, gotta go with the OnePlus Sans. Next, navigation bar and gestures. Navigation gestures or the old school back home and recents here on the right. Well, we're in 2021. Let's go with the navigation gestures. All right, master full screen gestures in 3 steps. All right, so you got a little tutorial here of how to use the gestures. Start back, go this way. Well done. Home, you go from the bottom, like so, and then the recent, you go from the bottom, but you hold for like a second. Well done. Setup complete. Go ahead and press start. The phone making noises, which is good. Ooh, I like this display. It looks nice. And we are in. All right, what do we got? Switch launcher layout. You can choose to display apps on both home screen and it cut out, so I didn't read that. So whatever that said, I'm sure it was pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and go to settings. Just a couple of things I want to check real fast. Let's go to display. And what do we got here? We got the auto brightness. We'll turn that off. And then the sleep, we'll go 5 minutes on this, right? And then the advanced here. Now this is where you can set your refresh, right? Smart 120 Hertz. So you have your standard 60, you have your smart 120 Hertz, which I think this says ultra smooth with adaptive dynamic frame rate. So I think that means, or I think it does mean, it'll adjust the refresh rate depending on what you're doing on the phone. So it's not 120 all the time. It might drop down to a lower rate to save a little bit of battery. We'll just leave it there for now. Front camera display area, that's interesting. Show the front camera, check this out, okay. Show the front camera so you can see the punch hole, or hide the front camera, which it'll do that. So you have a forehead if you absolutely hate the cutout. But I don't know, let me know in the comments below. Which one looks better? Actually hiding the front camera so you have a forehead, looks something like that. Kind of looks like an old Pixel from, I don't know, a couple of years ago. So check that out, or show the hole punch. I don't know, man. I'll just show the hole punch. I don't know how many years we've been designing phones, or phones have been coming out looking like this. Just leave it like that. Dark mode. Ooh, okay. Manual. And you got the dark mode turned on. Nice. I'm gonna leave it on light mode for now. I think that looks a little bit better on camera. All right, let's check it out. And then let's go down to the, here we go, the storage. Now this is a 256 gig model. So out of the box, it's using basically 25 gigs. So what is that? 256 minus 25. Do the math, that's how much storage you have out of the box. And then let's go down to the Android version. Let's see, about phone, and then we'll go, let's see, Android version 11. Let's see the build number a bunch of times. Does that work here? Here we go. Here's a little Easter egg. There we go. Now I forgot how to, I thought it was the build number. You get to enable developer options. Maybe that changed. I don't know. I'll look into that later. But I mean, yeah, this is the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now, set in the box, the camera, they did work with Hasselblad here for the camera. Let's see, I'm gonna deny this. So let's go ahead and check it out, all right? So this is the camera. We have 1X here. What happened to the camera? I think it crashed. I'll fire it up again. It crashed off camera. All right, so I'm gonna take a picture. What can I take a picture of? The OnePlus 8 Pro from last year. All right, so this is wide angle, all right? Take a picture of this, 0.6x, got it. All right, here's the 1x. And then here's the 2x. I'm gonna zoom right into the lens of the 8T. So I'm gonna put this in the video. Let's go outside and take some pics. All right, this is a quick video sample from the OnePlus 9 Pro. This is 4K 30 frames per second. So I'm just outside right now. It's towards the end of the day. So check this out. Let me know if the video quality. Just outside. A little bit of a breeze. Beautiful day today. It's about, I don't know, maybe like 67 degrees or something like that where I'm at. So, but anyway, let me know the quality. There's the Tesla right there. Now pan over here. OnePlus 9 Pro video sample, 4K 30 frames per second. Once again, nothing fancy. I'm just holding the phone, all handheld. Let's see, what do we got? Not much out here, but let's see. I'm gonna go over here, check out these flowers. I'm gonna zoom in right here. Let me know the autofocus. Check out that bokeh. I gotta say, that looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and go wide angle here. This is 0.6x. And then want to zoom in 3.3x. Get that in frame nicely so you can see. But I think this looks the best, the 1x, and you just physically zoom in. Look at that bokeh. That looks pretty good. Look at that ant right there. All right, let's see if I can get in close to the ants. Check out that fine detail. All right, get the focus right. There you go. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, real quick. Now this is 8K video from the OnePlus 9 Pro. So let me know the quality. This is that same flower again. I'm gonna try to get in the ants. So let me know how this looks. All right. Let me know if you can see all the little details. Check that out. Now this is an 8K. Now it'll be downsampled to 4K when I edit it. But let me know how this looks in the comments below. Check out that bokeh. It looks pretty good. Like I said, it's towards the end of the day now. Sun is about to set in, I don't know, about an hour or so, something like that. So I'd say around medium lighting situation. Looks pretty good on the viewfinder though. There you go. All right, so let's go ahead and check out this case. I did buy this also with this. So we'll have a quick look at this one as well. What do we got? So I've got two pieces of tape here on the bottom. So go ahead and make an incision down here. And one more here on this side. Cool. All right. A special case. Pause the video if you want to read that. But this is your Kevlar case from OnePlus. Pretty nice. OnePlus logo right there. Ooh, nice and smooth texture here. Soft touch. Feels really good. Run your fingers across this. Very satisfying. On the inside of the case, it looks like this, and this says OnePlus and EvuTech, or however you pronounce that. Cool. Now, I'm noticing what I like about this case already is that it covers the entire sides of the phone. It's not one of those cases where it only covers, it'll cover the side but not the bottom, where this is exposed a little bit. Same thing with the top. But this one actually covers the entire perimeter, the entire frame of the phone, which is cool. Raise button here. All right, so this should be pretty cool. We'll take the device, put it on, we'll have a look. Oh yeah, this feels really good. Here it is from the front. Blends perfectly with the black front of the OnePlus. And you flip it over like this, and it's gonna look like that. And I have to say, this looks really clean. I love the contrast from the camera module and the OnePlus logo against the black Kevlar. This looks pretty sick. Feels good to hold, and this should work with wireless charging. Yeah, this is nice. I am digging this. All right, real quick, compare it to the 8T from last year, late 2020. I should probably take the case off actually. So we'll compare the two phones. The 9 Pro, a little bit longer overall. We'll check the thickness of the two phones like this. And then let's see. There we go, have a comparison. And we'll, let's see, do the display. We'll just compare it. There we go. The 9 Pro a little bit bigger overall. Cool. So let me know what you want me to do with the OnePlus 9 Pro. Speed tests, durability tests, etc. versus Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, the Note 20 Ultra, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.